Alright guys, welcome back to another video on the channel, and today's episode we're going to be talking about this guy. This is the Google Pixel 3a XL, or the 3a. I did a review of this a while back, but a lot of you guys enjoyed it, so I thought I'd make a tips and tricks video. So when you guys get your Google Pixel 3a, you guys can test these out and make your phone a better device. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Welcome back to another video on Tech Auras. In today's episode, we're going to be doing a Google Pixel 3a tips and tricks video because you guys really liked the review. So if you guys get a Pixel 3a, then I'm just going to show you some tips and tricks to make your device a lot easier to use. So if we double click the power button, so that is the first tip and trick. Double click of the power button gets you the camera app. You can just take a picture from there. So it's quite useful if you need to take it quite quick. So you can just tap it twice and you'll be in. Next tip and trick is if we go into the settings and we go gestures, so you can switch the volume keys to zoom. So if you're trying to zoom into a shot, instead you can use volume keys and then you can go back and zoom out. As well as you can also the volume of the audio that you're recording, or you can change it off or you can make it shorter, so whenever you're taking a picture, if you just want to go like that, it'll take the picture using the power button. The next tip and trick we're going to be doing is it's called Now Playing. So if we go into settings and we search in settings, Now Playing, it'll come up with this. So you switch this on and the mics in the Google Pixel 3a will detect music around you and tell you what it's called and who the artist is. So it's having a third-party app but built into the operating system, so you can detect music all the time. So this one's quite a cool one. So if we go back into settings, well, if you go into security and we're going to go Pixel Imprint, you go into Pixel Imprint and then you can add fingerprints so that the sensitivity and the accuracy of the imprint is improved, so that you can just get a better fingerprint, and it has helped me. You can only go up to 5 fingerprints, which is a bit of a shame, but it just helps to get loads of different sides of your fingerprint so that you can register it and get into your phone as soon as possible. So now we're going to go fingerprint, and we're going to go swipe fingerprint. And this setting allows you to swipe from the bottom and you can just see notifications that easily. I have Do Not Disturb on now, so you can't see any of my notifications. You just search swipe fingerprint, turn that on, and if you just glide around the fingerprint scanner, it'll turn on your notifications. So the second last tip and trick I have to show you guys is wind down. So if you go into digital well-being and parental controls, you can set a wind down to have a grey scale, which is basically it turns the screen entirely grey, so there's no blue light at all. Or you can just have it set the wind down from, I have it on 1050, so that past the time of 1050, the screen goes into a warm mode, so there's basically no blue light left. So it helps me to get to sleep easier after I've been on my phone. And the last one, the at a glance. So if we search into settings and we go at a glance, search. Alright, so then it goes at a glance. And what this will do is it'll show you the next calendar event on your calendar. I'll show you on your screen what it looks like.